Okay, FTSE. So with the FTSE 100, again, we're looking on the 20-minute chart here. Now, I've marked out 76.98 as a level that was interesting because we were technically bearish below that. But on Friday, we just about pierced that level. And that's put me back into a little bit of confusion. However, what I have done is I've drawn this ACR line set. You'll notice the 2 points that I've marked together from these two arrows down here. And I've marked out this as an action point. So I've just simply drawn those parallels. And I'm looking for price to come down to this zone here. Whether or not it will do that now or whether it needs to pull back first and then come down afterwards, we'll have to wait and see. However, that's pretty much an area that I'm expecting for price to reach. And then what I really would like to see is for price to break the 74.87 to clear any doubt that this market remains bearish. So we take a look at here on the 4-minute chart. A couple of things that have been interesting to use as tools for the FTSE would be these just simple breaks and look for the test of the underside. So for example, in this one here, it's just a 2-point multi-pivot line, technically 3. You had a break through it, tagged it from the underside, and then down it went. It did create this mini valley formation, but really it was just a signal of what was to come. And you'll notice I've marked out 4 different candles here of engulfing types. And I've just found that interesting on FTSE that it's responded and provided this sort of mini signal on the 4-minute chart where you get this bearish engulfing candle and price continues in that direction, perhaps after touching the point of ignition first. As far as strategy is concerned for the moment on the FTSE, I'm looking for price to see if it has a go at closing this gap. If it gets back into this zone, then I'll be watching for some kind of pivot component in there for a sell to look to take out the next lows. So I remain bearish on this one. And overall, for the moment at least, bearish below the 77 handle.